This is HP 15 laptop. This laptop have a water damage, no power issue. We disconnected the DC power supply. Let's check what impedance is taken. This is taken 107 108 issue. This laptop is water damage. We have to open and check. This is impedance and not power on. When we power on, this is not power on. We have to open and check the system. Let's open the board. This is our HP water damage laptop. There is a water damage mark here. Here also water damage mark. There is a shorting inside this both section. We have to clean up and change these whole ICs and remove all shorting. There is also this is a display connector, display LED connector, and LED connector. Look at this LED connector also burn out. Both side blackish. Inside LED connector also burn. We have to see the close view in our microscope. This is the condition of this coil. MOSFET ICs. This IC also damaged. We have to replace this both. Even the display connector, downside display connector. The display cable is faulty, and look at the position of display connector, fully burned. Coil also damaged. There is also damage of IC legs also damaged, maybe because when we clean up, these IC legs is damaged. Look at it, there is no IC legs. IC legs is damaged by corrosion due to water damage. We have to clean up and change whole IC. Change display connector also. Display connector also damaged. And let's check what happened. Thank you. This water damage HP is now repaired. We replace 3V 5V IC and we replace DC display cable connector also. 2-3 parts we replace, and now we pack these laptops, assemble this laptop, connect this laptop here. We have to power on. Laptop is powered on. 3V 5V IC, one memory controller IC, 2-3 sections fully water damaged, and we successfully repair this laptop now. Taken an amp, first and second time will restart because of RTC. Display, yes, display also coming. This case study of HP is solved now. It's take almost 7 days. Thank you.